Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I want to create a storage account and work with blob storage files. So here, storage accounts, create. For resource group, I call it my resource group. Storage account name, this one can be good for now. Region, West Europe, performance standard. And for redundancy, I choose locally redundant. Review and create. So everything is okay. Create here. Okay, so nice. Go to resource. So as you can see, resource group is my resource group, location West Europe, performance standard, replication locally redundant. Nice. Now let's create a container. Here, container, I call it my container. Okay, create. Let's go inside and upload a file. This is good. Upload. Okay, let's see. Here I have the URL and let's see if I can see it. As you see, we don't have public access permission. So what should we do now? Generate SAS. Here, generate SAS token and URL. I choose blob SAS URL. And here, you can see it. Thank you for being with me today. If you like to see more practices, please do not forget to subscribe.